Adofo me da wase. Me gidi se wo ho ye. Me so me ho ye. Adofo asodwe nkan bi mwate. Wo ho odifo ache back to back. Me wo ho. Enye se me ni o me wo pa na say mabere wa be free mu. Obe free mu na etwa se ye kwan na yi. Nti kwan na yi. Adofo tie me. Ghana akunkum na aba me kasi Ghana aban oti adwaso yi na MPs ni on ministers no and na ya poison o kira ya poison we e ba chotie me asasi suesu ehu enti esu ohu no se wo serefo sere kire wa ayadue nia emma nipa di bone ne yese adidija ani muna nanam na mahu ane na mabay 14 10 so amafo kasa odifo back to back way odifo na abetima kire yekun ye papa John Kumah ko man haban kasa ampa haban ho abetima kire se ye papa John Kumah ye poison na nya poison ye pese ni pankasa nkwachiri me shema tiefo bo se sa life spiritual detective nyame ya atomwa na atomtumu ya o kire be konwiram ya ko fan habanya ba ye de mo yetirimo e de habane ba ya wada na pa odi fo metras mama wiase ne nipa kanyina no ya hwe kiri se de ne kuya papa John Kumah ne no kura se poison senia ye nua ba ma Captain Smart kase ono no gina sunsun ampa wode wano do nwera ebi wo na ye su di statement abase e cancer ene ku papai ye nua ba ma na jigezu so shankom se 31st shankom se the finance minister bibi ebewu na won so ohwe ne hu yi a obetanase na yesu di abase ni na digezi kan yoboa onimini kun a na sabe ni kunkura na tupi rusu oni na tun sedi di konda kranda na no kura no ni ma wo mu biza na digezi ni ma oni na digezi tamtiti mu misa na digezi na chese utiem ye na utie ni ye dia na ese bibia koso on na digezi tam orofo back to back there sana amafo framinti na ma be hye bono me pese be se odifo minim ni America metini America se I understand the English and I understand whatever goes on orofo tie me ya papa prophet Badu Kobi wo hye nkomfa IGP ho kache IGP se wo yebetu wo so bra prophecy ase one prophet can get you ebe you accept it you very careful nkom she be papa ya kasa wo se ama for the church napo energy minister napo ono na eku John Kumah ama for is alleged papa su ni mo hwe eno na prophet Badu Kobi abapon say munyai na nye napo na mu ne oku John Kumah na kasa wo ho e na danfo pa iti se obetima kire se ne sitia bibia ne height ne bibia na semro beka chene yere pe se Ghana prophecy no obi aka ne onim obi aboni tirimu sa ne nwa bai wuye Grace Badu wuye amafu predicting be nyama bibre aya me say Ghana for any for no why predicting prophet until mama stay back odi for back to back me hwe ne yekoso na papa Badu Kobi wa ye nyama aduma che me ndaw to no na mum me sia wada eno a live program me pesa na so na we dey papa twa ha papa ye sia kwasha a live yɛde ba ma wiase nyina bɛho ansa ampa odifo ɔde ha ten haban so ɔde haban yɛ adwuma na haban so ne ne kɔ ne ba e ba jo cheni o e be fa life for like e be fa life for attention tv e ba jo to wase subscribe page no like page no na hwɛ me yawada ma che 9 o'clock na yatena se live na ye bedi sawoso ye betwe haban ne ye hu sa pa no kre se ye papa ye poison no no kre so kɔwe a confirm no kre se ye papa prophet Badu Kobi ni okay no kre se na enye na po de ku no because Ghana for the BBC ne da to bi so ono ku no se poison ma be se poison e duro me ka se boko haban wo horo so anapa wi mienu pe anaba ko pe num so gu yam poison bia ko yam aba fini nyina gu so Ghana for team asopam orofo asem ya prophet Badu Kobi aka ne bia so ne soro ne abasa ene bi kodu no me pa cho mo da man tie prophet Badu Kobi asem o kai no owia then put your comment subscribe na share na like page na hwa asem o kai say then wo
all bloggers get ready. I'm going to talk about John Kumah, who was my spiritual son but who was far from me. He said, I'm going to talk about John Kumah, who was my spiritual son. He was coming to this house with a wife. Why did John Kumah step back from my life? They should be ready. And in this nation, if they want to know who killed John Kumah, Badu Kobi is there. So, listen to me, great woman. Halaba Santari Antaraba. Badu Kobi, tell the whole nation today. By the way, the last time I met John Kumah was in May 2023 at one of my brother's funeral in Kumasi, in Prophet Victor Kusibuatin's church. When he came and knelt before me, said, Father, I beg you, I'll come. That was the last time I saw him. But I can remember years ago, I told John Kumah, here, John, you'll be president one day. He came with a wife. Now, God says I must tell the nation something today about John Kumah's matter today. Some people are pointing their hands to Matthew Opoku Prempeh that he killed John Kumah. It is not true. God says I must tell the whole nation, Matthew Opoku Prempeh has not killed John Kumah. The one who killed John Kumah is dead. And everyone listen to me. Now, IGP, you said you don't want us to prophesy. So, you don't need prophecy for me to know who killed him. You must do your own investigation. But the one who killed John Kumah is not Matthew Opoku Prempeh. But the one who killed John Kumah did it because they must get him out of the way for their own selfish interest of running meat. And the person is dead. He is a man. But God said I must come and tell the whole nation that it's not Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh. His hand is not in the matter. And the one who did it, by the grace of God, I know him. He has revealed it to me.
High attention TV. Odi for back to back. We be odi for other also share common so dey habana me yes. Me dey habana me daily. Me pay I see na me hu na me share na dey be person class from nkom share no. Ye bibia firi gadochi. Ghana ha. Ni obetimi ade habana be adwuma saa no. Ebi di ho. Ani jo kire me komiram mi wura me nyankopon to mi wura na soma me ababa ko pem fa me sunsun nyuma enti wiase nyina me pato me passe be sunsun nyuma na church na kasa o you bring your comment that di for ya there because your papa na po obi ade sa kire me so how papa prophet man go be so be the poison no where is the truth come to smart your poison wa kra na yesa go poison enough. It's your cancer me da and then Chama to me akwa da akura so nso yadwuma already so aka say omo we are conform omo di ne ehuo Prophet Makobi so akasa me pato attention TV share na like na comment na yawada nsɛm obenya no ebeje nsɛm high life aha ena bibi hinta aha eni timi free to me man be kasa se e apasa John Kumah I poison na to me be kasa na to me be adwuma orofo aha attention TV subscribe na share what na follow na be ka bushia the right share. Gracias.